step-by-step guide on how to use Google Veo 3, one of the most powerful AI video generators available today. If you're looking for a tool that turns text into video, image into video, or even transforms an existing video into a completely new one, then Veo 3 is going to impress you.
Nanda Chinkyang, VEO 3 is amazing. You should try it.
In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to use VEO 3 inside Gemini and Google Flow, how to write effective prompts, how to add voice or sound effects, how to customize your scenes, and how to get the highest video quality possible. I'll also show you some of the coolest things VEO 3 can do, like understanding natural language extremely well, generating scenes accurately, and producing very smooth motion. If you're starting your journey with AI video creation, this is a tool you definitely don't want to miss. How to use VEO 3. Now comes the fun part, using Google VEO 3. We're currently inside Google Gemini, and when you click on Tools, you'll see a range of powerful features such as Deep Research, Create Videos, VEO 3.1, Create Images, Canvas, and Guided Learning. Today, we're going to focus specifically on the Create Videos feature. If you're using the free version, you can generate up to 3 videos per day, each video lasting 8 seconds, complete with characters, voices, sound effects, and smooth cinematic motion, just like a professionally filmed and edited clip. When you click Create Videos, all you need to do is describe your idea. The AI will interpret your description and turn it into a fully animated video that matches your vision. Let me show you an example so you can see exactly how it works. I'll type in a short prompt and let VEO 3 generate the entire video from scratch. All right, here's the example video I created.
Let me show you how amazing VEO 3 can be.
As you can see, the video followed my prompt almost perfectly. Pretty impressive, right? But honestly, this is just the beginning. Gemini is great, but it's nothing compared to what you can do inside Google Flow. So now, let's switch over to Flow and take things to the next level. How to use Google Flow. Now, when we switch over to Google Flow, you'll immediately notice something different. You get an extra quota for generating videos. Flow is Google's dedicated app for storytelling and filmmaking, and this is where VEO 3 truly shines. Click Create with Flow, log in, and start a new project. Once you enter the workspace, you'll see multiple versions of VEO available. VEO 3.1 Fast, VEO 3.1 Quality, VEO 2 Fast, and VEO 2 Quality. You can also choose your video aspect ratio, either 9:16 for vertical content or 16:9 for cinematic horizontal videos. I'll keep it on 16:9 for this demo. If you want to save credits, make sure to adjust outputs per prompt and set it to 1, so Flow only generates a single result for each prompt you submit. Here in Flow, you can create videos using 3 different input types: text, frames, and ingredients. This means you can generate a video from a written idea, from images you already have, or even from a collection of assets you want to combine. There's also a feature to create brand new images directly inside Flow, but I'll cover that in a separate video. For now, let's take the exact same prompt we used earlier in Gemini and run it again in Flow. This way, you'll clearly see the difference between what Gemini produces and what Flow can really do. You'll notice right away that Flow works differently from Gemini. Instead of giving you an estimated wait time, it shows a live percentage progress bar. So just give it a moment to finish. All right, it's done. Let's take a look.
Let me show you how amazing VEO 3 can be.
Wow, the quality is noticeably better. Richer details, smoother motion, and overall a much more polished result. Honestly, I think I'm starting to prefer Flow. Understanding VEO 3 credits. You can see that this video used 20 credits, and up in the corner, I still have 980 credits remaining, which means Flow gives you 1,000 credits per month. Since each video costs around 20 credits, that's roughly 50 videos per month inside Flow. And when you combine that with Gemini's 3 free generations per day, which adds up to about 90 videos per month, you're looking at around 140 videos every single month. That's a lot of creative output. If you're planning to create several videos in a single day, I recommend using Flow because it gives you the most room to work. But if you only need a few clips throughout the day, start with Gemini first. Once you use up your 3 daily generations, switch over to Flow to continue. While I'm explaining this, let me run one more example so you can see how it performs with a different prompt.
VEO3 is amazing to face. I can't believe how fast it creates videos.
Image to video test. Now let's test the image to video feature in Google VEO3. Go ahead and select Frames to Video, then upload your image. Here, I'm using a photo of a beautiful rustic outdoor cafe. Next, I'll type in a prompt to tell the AI what I want it to animate. And we'll see how well it brings this scene to life. All right, the generation is finished. Let's play it and take a look at the results.
How about that table over there?
Yes, the shade looks nice.
How about that table over there?
Yes, the shade looks nice.
Wow, I actually had to watch it twice because it turned out so good. And that's everything you need to get started with VEO3. If you found this tool helpful, make sure to explore its advanced features and start creating your own amazing AI-powered videos. Thank you for watching until the end. If you want more AI tips and tutorials, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with the next videos. See you in the next one.